y'all, it's Tammy with Collard Valley Cooks. We're in the kitchen today. It is St. Patty's Day. Chris is home with me. Fishing weather's not going to be good for a few days, so we're going to enjoy a fruit salad. I'm going to make it green today. So I'll be using, this is a salad that a lot of you make with oranges, and you use an orange Jell-O, but today we're going to be using lime Jell-O and fruit cocktail because it is St. Patrick's Day. So it's simple and easy to make. So we're going to start out, and I've also got some green sprinkles we're going to sprinkle the top of it with when we're done. But so we've got a can of fruit cocktail, and we're going to drain that. It's got everything in it. We have got some pineapple, crushed pineapple in a little can. We're going to drain it. And I'm going to really drain it good and press a lot of the juice out of it for this salad. Hope you're having a great day. Y'all get ready and make sure you watch the weather the next couple of days. So that's just crushed pineapple, fruit cocktail. This is so simple, but we're doing something special today since it's St. Patrick's Day. This is cottage cheese, okay? And I'm going to use, this is a, let's see, 16 ounce. And I'm going to use about half of it. Okay? Because my recipe didn't tell me how much to put in there. It just said a thing of cottage cheese. It's one of them church recipes, so, you know, it's just throw it together. Then I know you're supposed to use a 8-ounce package of Cool Whip. And if I decide to put more cottage cheese in it, I will. Now, today, I am going to, just for fun, and because it'll be good, and this is lime, I'm going to put in a little bit of lemon extract. Now, this is extract, and this is a 1/4 teaspoon. This is lemon, not lime, but we're using lime Jell-O. There's the lemon extract, and guess what else I'm putting in here, y'all? Coconut. And I could put some flaked coconut in it. I might grab some and throw some in there. 1/4 teaspoon. A 3-ounce package of lime Jell-O because it is St. Patrick's Day. You can use sugar-free in all of this stuff if you want to. And I'm going to fold all of this together. So we've got the lemon extract, the lime Jell-O, the coconut extract, the cottage cheese. And I can tell you right now, I'm putting all that cottage cheese in there. So that will be a whole container. So it'll be a whole 16 ounces. You don't really know what you're doing when you're going by a recipe if it don't give you everything to do. I mean, it didn't list the amount, is what I'm saying. All right, now, while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to grab some coconut out of here. This is my dry pantry. And I have some coconut right here. Baker's is my favorite. Now, if you can't get Baker's coconut, you can use what you have or can get. But I'm telling you, Baker's coconut is way moister than anybody else's. So in something like this salad, I would prefer it over a drier one. And I'm not going to put in much, but we did add some coconut flavor, so we'll add a little. Now I gotta rinse my hand because it's sticky. You can also put in pecans if you want to. You want pecans in it, Chris?
Let's go for it.
Let's do it all. Why not? Sorry, baby, I backed you up, didn't I? This is my pecan thing. So, we'll sprinkle the pecans in last. But I'm going to mix this up pretty good. See how fluffy that looks? Woo! We're going to put in the pineapple. And now we're going to put in the fruit cocktail. And you could do the same recipe with orange Jell-O and mandarin oranges if you wish. But you still add the pineapple, of course, because the pineapple's really good.
Even sounds fluffy.
It does, don't it? And now we're going to add a few nuts to it. That's all there is to it, y'all. How easy is that? The more the merrier, right? Mm-hmm. And if you can't chew nuts or have nuts, of course, you don't put those in there. That is optional. It looks like a Waldorf salad, but it's not. Not Waldorf. The one that's green.
Watergate?
Yeah, Watergate. Waldorf is the apple salad. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's it. Now for St. Patrick's Day, get you some sugar and use some food coloring and make it green, or if you just happen to have some left over, like I buy different colors when they're on sale after the holidays, then you can sprinkle it on the top with green. For St. Patrick's Day, me and Chris are going to have a taste for y'all. So when you serve it, you can chill it, and then when you serve it, you can sprinkle it to make it look more like St. Patrick's Day. Let's taste it. Now, if you want to use more flavoring, you can. I'm going to taste it and see if we need more flavoring or if it was just right. Woo! Just right. It's so good. And I'm telling you, if you've got the flavoring, or the extract, I should say, please put it in there. It is the bomb. And that little bit of coconut extract and that little bit of lemon extract is so good in it with that lime Jell-O. Oh my goodness. Boy, it makes a lot. I wish y'all were here to eat it with us. I'm going to let Chris taste it for y'all. It's so good. I just want to keep eating it. Get up close. Looks good, don't it?
Yep. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to take a big bite.
That is not a big bite. It's really good, ain't it? I mean, the thoughts of the cottage cheese being in there kind of throws some people off, but that little bit of cheese in with that sweet is really good. It's delicious. What do you think, Chris?
I like it better than Watergate salad.
I do too. We like it better than Watergate. Well, for one, it's got that extract in there and it makes it taste good. If you got extract, you can always add a little bit to your Watergate. But y'all, it's delicious. And don't put more extract than what I did. 1/4 of a teaspoon is perfect for the coconut and the lemon. And if you've got another flavor you want to add in there, throw it in there. The more the merrier for all that fruit, okay? So thanks so much for watching Collard Valley Cooks, where we cook like Mama did. Y'all have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day and stay safe from all of these storms tonight. Bye. Love ya.